Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how you can use one number in different phones, one WhatsApp number in different smartphones. Okay, so whatsoever reason you want to use the same number in two different phones, maybe you want to read your messages in your old phone or in your new phone, or maybe you want to read messages of someone, messages of your partner, or whatsoever reason you want to use the same number on the same phone. It is very possible. So in this video, I'll quickly show you how you can use one WhatsApp number in two phones. The first thing you need to do is to download your WhatsApp from Play Store. Install in the two phones, okay? So now your old phone will be in a WhatsApp. Your old phone will be active, okay? Now WhatsApp is already active on your other phone. You want now to connect it to another phone. So what are you going to do? You click on this new phone that WhatsApp is not connected inside. Okay, remember in this tutorial, after you are going to be reading your message in both phones. Okay, now, so if you click on your WhatsApp in the new phone, you click agree and continue, or the phone you want to link. Here, don't put your phone number. Instead, click this three dots up here. Okay, let me follow take allow. Instead, click this three dot up here, and you see link companion device. You click on it. Okay, they will send this QR code for you to scan. You go now to your WhatsApp that is active. You click these three dots up here. You click on link device, and you click on this link device here down here. You scan this QR code. Okay, good. It's logging in. Okay, loading your chat. I've already scanned the code. It's loading my chat in a new device. So let's just wait a bit and see what will happen. So in this tutorial, you can read the messages of any other phone of someone, phone of your partner, or the messages of your own phone, the messages of your maybe brothers and sisters, all those things. The messages of your loved ones, okay? Like they say link companion device, the messages of your companion. So it's loading, it's logging in, okay? Let's just wait a bit. Very soon it will be fine. So it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Good, good. That's it. Android 13. Keep this app open. Okay, and this other phone is showing. One moment. Good. This is it. Wow, this is it. You can see you see all the messages in the old phone. They are appearing here. Wow. So this is how you can read. You can link. Okay, let me just quickly text whether the message will appear here in this old phone. Hi. Good. Hi. You see, this is it. This is it here. Hi. Let me text this one too. Remember, whatever you are doing in phone A, it will equally appear in phone B. This is it here too. You see? So this is how you can link your phone and read messages.